Hey guys, Sarah here, and Josie, and Bronx. Oh my. Okay. We know, it's all about you. Today we're going to be opening our Boxycharm box for January 2019. If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued $100 or more, and then you can also earn charms to spend in the charm shop and earn more free products. Boxycharm is one of my favorite boxes. I think they are probably the best box as far as quality of products and higher end products, things like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so when you open up the box, it looks just like this. It has the little card right on top that will tell us this month's theme, which is Boxy and Chill. And then on the back, it'll have everything that we're getting in this box, as well as their values. And I will say that they have changed the card yet again. It used to be the pull-out long thing, and now it's back to being small, which I am not mad about. But let's go ahead and see what we have. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is from Briogeo, I think is how you say it. It is the Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens, which is important to me. It is also cruelty-free. It says on the bottle. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will put it down below if you are interested. But that's what it looks like. The value on this is $12 for a little tiny thing, so it must be pretty expensive. I've never tried anything from this brand, I don't think. I feel like I've gotten a foil sample before, which I've never used because I just don't use foil samples. But yeah, interested to give this a try. I live in Arizona where everything's dry, so anything that will give me some more moisture is good in my book. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Billion Dollar Brows. It is a universal brow pencil. I'm trying to find a shade. It doesn't have a shade name, but it looks to be just brown. So on one end it's got the spoolie right here, and then on the other end it's got like the retractable pencil. It is a thicker brow pencil, so if you don't like those, you might not like this. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch and see how it feels. So it feels super creamy. I like the color a lot for my brows personally. Don't know how this would work for everyone, but for me it's good. There it is. Just a little brow pencil. Never heard of Billion Dollar Brows, so curious to find out if this brand is cruelty-free. Let's go and look at the value. The value of this is $18, which to me isn't too bad for a really good brow pencil. I think you pay more than that for like an Anastasia brow Wiz that everybody loves, so curious to give this a try. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Ofra, which is cruelty-free. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. It may be pulling up a little, well actually it looks pretty accurate to the real color. It looks very orangey brown to me, so I'm not going to swatch this just because that is, I don't think that's a color that would be flattering to my skin tone, so I will probably just go ahead and pass this on to someone else or toss it into a giveaway. Okay, so let's see, let's get these on the bottom here. So right here I have two sheet face masks from Tatcha. It is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I've never tried anything from Tatcha. I've heard really good things about them. Okay, so I just looked it up really quick because I had to know. So Tatcha is cruelty-free, so that's really awesome. I know that their stuff is fairly pricey, so let's see what the value is on these. $24 for 2 masks, so pretty expensive. Curious to try them though. That's the last thing I need though, is another expensive thing to like. Sorry if that cut out at a weird spot. My memory card was full, so I had to swap that out real quick. But I am really, really interested in trying these out, so excited that they are cruelty-free. Okay, looks like I have one more thing in here. So this right here is from Tarte. It is the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette right here. If you don't know, Tarte is one of my favorite brands personally. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It is very, very pretty packaging. I have to say, they kill the packaging game. Like, doesn't this just look fancy? It's all metal. Let's go ahead and see what the shadows look like. Okay. So here's what I got right here. It's like a pretty neutral palette. I do have some shimmers and some mattes on there. Let's see. I'll go ahead. Actually, I don't think any of these are mattes. Some are like semi-shimmery, but most of them look pretty shimmery, which is disappointing personally. I don't think you can make a full look out of shimmers, but I guess I'll find out. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and swatch just a couple of them. So there's just a couple of them down there. I think, how many palettes? I have like 3 or 4 palettes from Tarte, and I do like them, but one thing I will say about Tarte is they have so many neutral palettes. I think all of my palettes are neutral, so it's just, I can't think of them having any like bold, fun, different sort of palette. So, and this doesn't smell like Tarte palettes normally smell. Sorry, I had to smell it. So I wish that maybe this year will be the year that they put out like a palette that's not just a bunch of nudes in there. So, but that being said, I do like their shadows a lot, and I do wear a lot of neutral makeup, so it's not too hard for me to be able to pull a look together with this. So yeah, excited to give that a try. Let's go ahead and look at the value on that. This is $36, so sounds about right. But yeah, that's everything I have for this box. I got the Tarte palette. I have these 2 masks. I got an Ofra lipstick. I got the Briogeo leave-in conditioner, and then the $1 Billion Brow Eye Pencil. So overall, I really, really like this. I'm pretty sure this whole thing was cruelty-free, except for the $1 Billion Brows I have to look into. And yeah, not mad about this. Only one thing I'm for sure not going to use, and that's just a color preference. I do like the quality of the Ofra liquid lips. I think they're really nice, and I like them a lot. What do you guys think of this box? Did you guys get the same box as me? I think there's always variations of Boxycharm, so I'm curious, what did you get in your Boxycharm? Did you get the same as me, or did we get different boxes? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxing, all that jazz, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.